Well, we're off on our next adventure, Grandfather Mountain in North Carolina. The traffic is backed up like crazy. To get in this place, it must be good.
And competition area with a gathering of Scottish clans held every July. We believe that Grandfather Mountain is one of the most wonder-filled places in the Southeast.
You have to have a permit to fly a
Hidden
drone?
among the trees and rocks, you can
Apparently,
find an amazing
that's a real
diversity of
bummer.
wildlife
Brought the
that's
drone
like
up
nowhere else on
and
Earth.
can't fly it.
On your way up,
Wonder if you
this
have to have
CD
one in
will
other
guide you
parts
to the
too.
mountain's
I don't
natural
know.
wonders and beautiful views.
Isn't this gorgeous?
Soon on the left, you'll be approaching Half Moon Overlook, which is ringed
Which
with
is what we
hundreds
just
of native
passed.
azaleas and rhododendron. In May, the endangered pink shell azalea.
Hey, here's
is in
an
bloom.
overlook here.
Native only to northwest North Carolina, Grandfather has the world's largest natural population of pink shell azaleas. In June, this overlook bursts out with lavender
Isn't
pink
that
blossoms of the Catawba
gorgeous? Man, you
rhododendron.
can have a picnic anywhere up here.
Looking up, you'll see two peaks.
It's a cool, no, it's not what it is. This is split rock.
Priority to make sure you have the best visit.
Isn't it gorgeous?
A little further up the road at the Nature Museum, they'll pack you a picnic to go. When you're ready, continue your drive up the mountain and start track 3 as you
Wow. So they say by the time you reach the top, it's the temperature of Newfoundland, Canada. So that's kind of cool. Y'all ready, Becca?
Yeah, but this is weird. I look weird with this.
You look really cool. Look at this. Isn't this gorgeous?
I want
Goodness.
to see if my zoom's actually good.
So beautiful. I love nature and scenery. Super cool. It almost looks like you're in the West.
You know, I can walk off.
Oh, you can?
Yeah.
Okay, where do you go when you walk off that? Oh,
Better not
look
use
at
a
that.
eye. I see how many pictures I have.
Always wish stuff like this was in my backyard. Higher elevations are awesome. Pretty fun climb. There's a deer in through the bushes, having himself a snack. Isn't he cute? It's totally fine with us being here. Mike's taking a shot. There he is. Pretty cute. Whole path has all these rocks on it. The rhododendron is blooming up here, and here it is August. Cool, look at this rocky crag up here. See? There's Rebecca.
Alright, Max, they must have found a dead end.
My friend Mindy. How was it?
Cool. It leads up to all the top.
Really?
Yeah.
All the way up there? Wow. Picnic up there?
Yeah.
Well,
I don't know. Maybe one of them.
can you see what's up there? Don't crack your head. Oh, cool. Now if we can carry the cooler that far up the rocks. The squeaking? You think are bats? Might be. And there is the bridge.
Pin their head down, you pull out your knife, put their head on. Oh.
And there's my kids hiking through. They're gonna beat me to the bridge. Look at that. It's a little scary, he says.
Yeah, because what if the bridge accidentally collapsed?
That would be scary if that bridge accidentally collapsed. This must be the main parking lot. We're up at the top. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous?
Look at Daddy's phone.
Wow. Look at all these beautiful flowers. Pretty. Ready to go across the bridge? Caleb, you ready to go across the bridge? Yeah? Hello. You ready to go across the bridge? Oh, come on, why
I'm
not?
not going on top of that mountain.
You up there?
Yeah.
Why don't you want to go up there? That's awesome. Look at that. Ooh.
They're finally taking it.
Is it?
Hey, sir, he's not doing it. Kyle,
So how much can we get this thing swaying?
I don't know. Thank you. It's so pretty and it's windy. Yikes. You try looking into the camera and walking, you feel extra sway. Look at the lake. Look at the lake.
Yeah.
Pretty. Hotels up there on the super cool. We can do another one. Well, we made it almost across here without this bridge breaking. Woo! Apparently we are a mile high. So that's pretty high. Just thinking, buddy. You want your picture right there?
I need a picture of you.
You look really good right there.
Hang on.
Help smile at me.
Wait a minute.
Let's see. Let me get you one. Ready? See, I'm at the top of the world. What? What happened to you? There is?
Just get water. Flowers. They won't hurt
We're
you.
heading up there.
That is just
Except for these three. They're gonna explore down there. The path less traveled.
sorry, Caleb.
Take an extra look out.
Whoa!
Careful, buddy. No, we're going up. This is really cool up here. Sure is high up. Did you see the view over there? Yeah, there's a road down there. Some panoramic view, isn't it? We're still going.
have front legs.
Oh, tadpoles. Oh, yep, right. Look at this one.
But then if you look around, you'll also
Oh.
find some that don't even have back legs yet.
Yep.
So they're at different stages.
Little tadpoles.
You guys have a geocache?
Alrighty, back along this trail to the parking lot, and maybe we'll find a neat spot to have lunch or something. Wait a minute, you finding your zen up there?
Yep.
Yeah. How peaceful is it? Becca's stocking up on chips and hot dogs. It's the best. She's like, yep. What are you stocking up on for the trek down the trail ahead, huh? Grapes? Yeah, you.
Pasta salad.
Pasta salad. Looking good. Here's a really neat wall of all the wildflowers of Grandfather Mountain. Oh, wow. So there's butterfly weed. Oswego tea. Oh, look at the lady slippers. Indian pipes.
Wait, I want to show them the mushrooms.
They're very cool. Daniel Boone killed a bear on this tree, 1775.
That's why it's not good tip.
Yeah, you have to.
Wild strawberries. There's a partridge berry.
Oui, ça veut dire
And
que...
there's the tea berries.
Ça veut dire que...
Huckleberries. Ooh. Blackberries. Gooseberries. These birds are all carved out of wood. They're absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Carolina Red. Oh, I like the blue jay. All kinds of. Oh, look at the hummingbird. Oh, they're beautiful. So, they got this Junior Ranger book. Pretty cool. You go through and answer some of the questions, and they'll get a badge on the way out. It's a bald eagle. Where is he? Can I see him? There we go. He doesn't. He's kept in his habitat. Isn't he beautiful? There he is. It says next bear encounter at 1:30. Oh, look at that. 1:30. Didn't even know. Couldn't have timed it better. Wonder where he is.
Cinnamon black bear. Why he got the name Kodiak. Like a brown bear. He's about 425 pounds, and he's almost double what Flower is.
Here we go. Finally see the bears. Oh, there's one right there. Here's the big one. They call him Kodiak because he looks like a Kodiak bear. He's coloring. Must be pretty thirsty. I bet up. Look at how huge it is.
Wow. Holy moly.
Give one of them the.
Wendy, look at
Beautiful garden here.
Oh, and there's another butterfly. Look at this.
Echinacea and milkweed. This is what I need at home. It's a beautiful garden with all these butterflies. I love it.
Emily.
How's your ice cream?
Really?
Is it really good? How's the sherbet? You like it? Yeah? And strawberry? I bet it's really good, huh? Yeah. Yum. Yummy, yummy, yummy. And chocolate vanilla. How is it? Did you get a root beer float? Yeah? And lemonade. That's a lot of ice cream. Feels good in here in the cool air. He's cold from all the ice cream. Well, this is a fun, rugged trail. I know. You walk up on them. Lots of beautiful ferns and lots of rocks. But we're making it. The other kids like to race ahead to go catch up. Hear the water?
We go down there?
Hear the water?
Yeah.
Oh, I like the water.
You have to go now.
Yes, we do. Can you go down? Careful.
I'll go.
He's a hiker.
I got.
Just don't. Oh, Caleb! Caleb, get out of the water! Quick! Quick, 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 quick! Oh, man! Oh, man! Oh, man! Look at the little salamander. There you go. He tried to go down my shirt. Mercy.
Hold up.
It feels like a worm.
Therefore, when you put him back, set him right here, because that's in front of his hole.
Oh, I hear more water. And look at this, guys. It's a bridge that goes across.
Yeah.
Isn't that super cool?
I walked across.
Did you walk across it? Walk across it again. I'll video you, okay?
Okay.
Go across. Look at you go. Wow. Super cool, buddy.
Go across the bridge, Dad.
So cool. Nice into the water. Look up there, Nathan. The big rock ledge. Super cool. Here, look, they went up there. You want to check it out?
Yeah. Wait, I want to see this.
Never know what's under a rock. You gotta be careful though. There could be snakes under there and then you got bit. Yeah. Can you climb up there, Caleb? Leave the rock alone, okay? And can you climb up the mountain? Let's climb up there, I know.
Yeah.
Man, this is where you need the GoPro on your head.
And that has go.
Oh, shoot.
Has it go?
Woo!
How did they get up here?
Well, they climbed.
Get up there.
I don't know. You gotta keep climbing. Can you go through?
Yeah.
I'll figure out how we can get back down. Oh.
Guys, is there stairs up? Another one. Go in here, Caleb.
You guys gotta come back through this way?
I think so.
We will. It's really awesome back here.
Okay, I'm trying to set my...
Don't get bit.
It's just salamander. What are you doing?
I'm coming to get your camera.
Okay, it's right here. Do I need to bring it with me?
Yeah.
Oh,
Want me to hold it?
I'll hold it. That way if I crush it on a rock, it's my fault. Is there anything in here?
We found a salamander.
You did?
Oh, it's a big earthworm.
I don't know.
Look at right there by him.
Oh, how cute.
Oh, wow.
Oh my goodness.
Rock.
Yeah, it's like a cave.
It goes back into there.
Yes.
Big slug.
Ew. Where?
Hey,
Right
Lindy,
there.
Oh, worm.
got your phone light. You can see what's back in here.
I already looked back in there.
Ew.
I'll show
Cool.
you. Just a little bit of a cave. It doesn't go back in very far.
Wouldn't it be cool if you could sleep in there and put a fire here?
Oh, don't shake him. Don't shake him.
Oh.
You don't want to hurt him.
Yeah, you could put a fire here. It's all wet, just like it's a cave.
It is basically.
Yeah. It's pretty cool. Crawl through, girls.
I
look at all the
don't
forks in the
have
rock.
to. I can stand up.
You know, just off the beaten track. It's more fun than anything.
Is this Crystal?
Whoa, baby, careful. You okay?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, be so careful.
Stand there.
Yeah.
This is a really good spot to look.
Because it's so wet.
Oh,
Yeah,
ouch.
so wet and there's lots of
Okay. Grasshopper.
Okay.
Yeah.
Whew.
All you need is a headlamp, and I bet you can find millions of salamanders back in there.
I imagine.
Really cool. Did you take any pictures on my camera?
What do you see?
There's this big hole. It's like a cougar hole, and when
A cougar hole?
the lights back there, something yellow glowing.
Really? You think it's
See
the
that
cougar?
big hole back in there? Man, that goes a long
I
ways.
saw the one up higher. I didn't see the
Right
one down
back there, Nate. Look back in there.
Oh wow, Lindy, let's send you back there.
I mean, that's a cave crawler.
Oh, go ahead.
I couldn't do
It goes
that.
way back.
I couldn't do that.
There you go.
I don't like tight spaces.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that view.
Stay up there, Caleb.
Hold on to
You gonna try it?
Hold on to him.
I know, that was my problem too. Cute.
Wow. Careful, Becca.
But yeah, this is nice.
Look, up there's where the bridge is. You can see the cars going up to the swinging bridge. Up there. Well, that was a fun day. What did you guys think of that?
It was fun.
Yeah? Everybody was such a trooper on the hike. Caleb, I couldn't get over how good he hiked up those rocks and mountains and everything. It was such a fun day. Anyway, so if you're ever in the area of Grandfather Mountain over in North Carolina,
This is how much.
you'll have to give it a try because it was pretty neat. So, hope you enjoyed today and we'll see you next time. Bye!